Okay, so guys, I buy this from the Baguio when I was 4 years old. First, I go to the van and go to the Baguio and go to the mall and go buy this thing. And this is so cute. And if you flap this thing, it will go up the ears. And if you flap this thing, it will go up the ears like that. So I bought this on the mall when I am 4 years old. Try to remember, guys. So if you don't watch this video, then watch this right now. I just uploaded right now and go to the Baguio when I was 4 years old. And now, guys, I'm 5 years old. So look at this my video right now, guys, that I upload. There's more videos.